Thank you for taking time and interest to learn about computing technology that is critical to the operation of the world's economy. This is the first in a series of short educational videos about the IBM Z environment. As of 2018, IBM Z is the name for a family of advanced server technology available to large enterprises. IBM Z server technology has an impressive history and limitless potential for the future. Rarely do any of us think about the daily volume of critical data and services. A few facts. The world population is 7.6 billion. There are 180 country currencies. Focusing on the US dollar, an estimate from 2012 was that on a typical day, more than 14 trillion of dollar-denominated payments is routed through the banking system. Every hour of every day, the total amount spent in one of the largest retailers in the U.S. is $36 million. There are over 100 billion credit card transactions per year. There are 2.5 million passenger airlines reservations per day in out of U.S. airports. There are over 5 million hotel rooms available for reservation each day. If the currency, goods, services, and transactions fail to be handled quickly and accurately, big problems exist and millions of people worldwide would be impacted. In today's society, we have come to expect commerce to operate smoothly. Bottom line, the handling of the data associated with all these transactions are critical to the daily operation of the economy. So who uses IBM Z mainframes? Just about everyone uses an IBM Z mainframe. If you ever used an automated teller machine or your smartphone to interact with your bank account, you most likely used a mainframe. If you ever shopped at a large retail store, you most likely used a mainframe. If you ever made an airline, hotel, or rental car reservation, you most likely used a mainframe. Today, mainframes play a critical role in our daily lives. Decades ago, IBM was the first of several mainframe manufacturers to recognize the potential of computers to transform business in an era when mainframes were exclusively applied to scientific endeavors. Decades ago, IBM built a mainframe designed from the ground up for the data needs applied to large-scale business. The IBM mainframe, designed for the needs of business, was a major success and significantly transformed the business day-to-day operation. Today, the word mainframe has become synonymous with IBM due to the continuous technology advancements applied to the IBM mainframe. Each new generation of IBM mainframes follows a strict adherence to a design criteria that large enterprises now expect and rely upon. IBM design foresight included upward compatibility. This means business applications initially written years ago will work on future generations of IBM mainframes. These business applications, initially written years ago, have many years of enhancements and performance improvements, making them critical to the daily operation of large enterprises. These mainframe applications are time-tested business services that are now web-enabled, extending critical business services to your smartphone. RAS is an acronym for reliability, availability, and serviceability. This acronym has decades of technology advancements and patented technology. Unscheduled mainframe outages can be extremely costly for large enterprises. RAS addresses the requirement for these business services to be operational 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. During the past few decades, scalability and security became critical mainframe design points together with reliability, availability, and serviceability. Analytics at the time of a business transaction is enabled by the newer design criteria, scalability, and security. Information technology is going through another major transformation, fueled by customer-facing mobile technology, cloud services, and artificial intelligence. This transformative phase is known as the cognitive era. Cognitive era computing is possible by the hardware and software to process and analyze a massive amount of data every second of every day. The continuous advancements of the IBM Z mainframe hosting critical data and services together with the best of breed server design criteria has positioned the IBM Z mainframe to be the best of breed server for the current information technology transformation. In summary, IBM Z mainframe is essential technology for large enterprises handling critical data and services every second of every day. While the IBM mainframe initially transformed business during past decades, IBM Z mainframe technology advancements provide limitless potential to enable future business transformation. The next video in the series will answer what is inside the IBM Z mainframe and why is an IBM Z server an excellent alternative to farms of x86 servers. Thank you for your time.